We start with an update on last night's storms. The National Weather Service confirms 3 tornadoes did touch down between Waco and Austin, and that means some people near Salado, south of Waco, are now cleaning up the damage following those severe storms. Just look at that house, destroyed. More than a dozen houses were hit by those storms. And to the east of Dallas in Rains County, there is significant damage to the Rains High School gym. The superintendent sent us this picture. We're told the parking lot, gym, and locker rooms were all closed today, but despite the disruption, school was still in session. And now we go to Ennis. The awning of the side of a Dairy Queen fell onto these customers' vehicles. During the storm, there were about 10 people inside the building. Thankfully, no one was hurt. And get this isn't even the first storm that's hit this Dairy Queen. In 2013, a tornado also damaged the same building. All right, we want to get now to meteorologist Kyle Roberts because, again, we're talking about 3 tornadoes that touched down, and you just got the rating on them.
Yeah, those were all in Central Texas. As far as we know, no confirmed tornadoes in North Texas. That damage in Ennis, Rains County. There was some damage in parts of Henderson County. As far as we know, just straight line winds, you know, those strong gusty winds. But yes, we just got in the information for that strong tornado down in Central Texas, the one around Salado, an EF3 with wind speeds up to 165 miles an hour. So remember, none of this was in North Texas. This was down in Central Texas. There's Waco, there's Temple. We'll zoom in a little bit more here. The Salado tornado, an EF5 with at least an EF5 with wind speeds of 165 miles an hour. Kind of the damage survey still being wrapped up with this. So there's the potential that could go higher, but as of right now, it is at least an EF3 with wind speeds of 165. And by the way, it only needs 1 more mile an hour to make it an EF4. So we'll see what happens with that as the Weather Service finalizes that survey. There was another tornado south of Gatesville that actually occurred on Fort Hood. So the rating of that one was unknown, but we do know there was a tornado that happened there. And then there was an EF0 that happened near the community of Seaton, which is east of Temple. And that one had wind speeds of 75 miles an hour. We are done with the storms here in North Texas. Thankfully so. All this activity is pushed over to East Texas, over to Louisiana. Actually, a tornado warning right now going on in parts of Louisiana. But we are on the backside of all of this. A cold front has moved through. Not necessarily really cool out there, although there are some places down in the low 70s. But it's a lot drier air has moved in. We got the sunshine, and we're going to have pleasant weather the rest of the day today, the rest of the evening, and into tonight, and the rest of the week as well. So temperatures this evening will fall, and may fall actually rather quickly. We'll be down in the low 60s to upper 50s by 9 to 10 o'clock this evening. And tomorrow morning makes it be kind of chilly here in North Texas. Nice weather the rest of the week. I do have some rain chances for your Easter weekend, though, so we'll talk about that coming up.
All right. Thank you, Kyle. Glad we're done with those storms for now.